Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope my all lovely friends, viewers, and family members will be fine and good. May Allah bless you. Ameen. Always be happy. May Allah always keep smile. So, dear friends, first of all, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Garden Grass. Lovely viewers, I'm very thankful to you for subscribing my channel, watching my previous videos, and also thanks to connected with me and supporting me. Today I'm sharing with you top stylish, winsome and gorgeous designs of birdhouse. These birdhouse are so amazing, stunning and fabulous and gorgeous. And I hope you will like these designs and these ideas. These garden birdhouse are so amazing, ravishing and stunning. In this video you can see large birdhouse, rustic unique birdhouse and coastal birdhouse, garden birdhouse. Birds are beneficial for your garden. All you have to do is use these free, beautiful, and gorgeous designs of birdhouse, plants, and bird feeder to build one, and they will come. This is a very beautiful and amazing and peaceful space for living. This is a very amazing shelter for your garden birds. So, guys, birdhouse ideas 50 homes for your feathered friends. In this video you can see wooden birdhouse, fixer birdhouse in the trees. So natural birdhouse make the birds feel right at home with nature. A birdhouse made of a hollowwood log hanging from a tree. A hollowwood log is as natural as you can get with birdhouse ideas. Create a nesting space that will inspire you, that will enhance the beauty of your garden. Birdhouse design ideas can be used to add a burst of vibrant color to your garden. Just take a look at these bold designs. Dear friends, if you have no idea how to fascinate your garden with beautiful, gorgeous designs of birdhouse, in this video you can see 50 plus mind-blowing and gorgeous designs of birdhouse. You don't spend money and create a beautiful and gorgeous birdhouse. Some birdhouses are better than others for certain types of birds. This all natural birdhouse is crafted from seagrass, which makes it a fascinating gift for gardening and nature loves. Please like and share my video with friends and family members, because my video some of my best resources and definitely you will love and like this. Please watch the video. If you are intending that your favorite birds should live in your garden or on your terrace, balcony, then you can simply provide them with some shelters. So please subscribe my channel. After subscribing my channel, you will receive new and latest updates related to gardens. Maybe you are searching decent and amazing designs of garden bird house. So in this video you can see beautiful and amazing and mind-blowing designs of bird house. So be connected with me. Never forget press the bell icon. After press the bell icon you will receive new and latest updates related to gardens. So guys, I will meet you in my next video. Inshallah, I will bring a lot of amazing designs and share for you. So guys, take care. Allah Hafiz.